Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So here is given the steps of construction. Let us do the construction. First, let us draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Now, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Now, taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Now, let us draw the bisector of AB by drawing arcs from both endpoints. Join the points of intersection. Let M be the midpoint of AB. Now, by taking M as center and MA or MB as radius, draw a circle which intersects the other two circles at the points P, Q, R and S. Join BP, BQ, AR and AS, which are the required tangents. So here AS, AR, BP, BQ are the tangents. Justification: AP, AQ, BS, BR are the radii of the circles. Therefore, angle APB, angle AQB, angle BSA, angle BQA are right angles. Therefore, AS, AR, BP, BQ are tangents. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 8 cm, angle B equal to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular bisector from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So here is given the steps of construction. Let us construct the tangents. First, let us make the right triangle ABC. For that, let us draw BC 8 cm. Now construct angle B 90 degree. Now mark the point A 6 cm above and join AC. Now the right triangle ABC is formed. Now let us draw the perpendicular BD on AC. Now we need to draw the circle passing through the points B, C and D. To get the center of the circle, let us draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BC. Let E be the midpoint of BC, which is the center of the circle. Now let us draw the circle by taking E as center and EB, EC and ED are the radii. So now we have drawn the circle with center O. Now we need to draw the tangents to this circle from the external point A. For that, first join EA and then bisect it. For bisecting EA, let us draw arcs from both endpoints and join the points of intersection. Let M be the midpoint of EA. Now taking M as center and MA as radius, draw a circle which intersects the circle at the points B and F. Now join AB and AF, which are the required tangents. So in this figure you can see this AB and AF are the tangents. Justification: EB and EF are the radii. Therefore angle ABE equal to angle AFE equal to 90 degree. Therefore AB and AF are tangents. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct a pair of tangents from this point to the circle. The meaning of the question is we need to construct the pair of tangents from the point outside the circle to a circle whose center is not known. So the steps of construction is given here. Let us see how to construct the pair of tangents. First, let us draw two non-parallel chords. To find the center of the circle, let us bisect the both chords. Let O be the center of the circle. Now let us mark a point P outside the circle and join OP. Now let us bisect the line segment OP and let M be the midpoint. Taking M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle which intersects the circle at the points Q and R. So here you can see this PQ and PR are the tangents. Justification: OQ and OR be the radii. Therefore angle PQO equal to angle PRO equal to 90 degree. Therefore PQ and PR are the tangents. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.